So guys, Tecno has just launched the brand new Tecno Spark Go 2025. This one is targeting budget users, but don't let the price fool you. It actually packs some really interesting specs. Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what this phone offers. First, let's talk about the design. The Spark Go comes in at 194 grams with an 8mm thickness, which means it feels light but still solid in the hand. It has a glass front with a plastic frame and back, so yeah, it's not premium like glass or metal, but that's expected in this price segment. The good thing is it's IP64 rated, so it can handle dust and even a few water splashes. Color options include sky blue, ink black, and turquoise green. All of them look pretty stylish for an entry-level device. Now moving to the screen, you're getting a 6.74-inch IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Resolution is only 720 by 1600 pixels, so don't expect razor-sharp visuals, but the higher refresh rate will make scrolling and animation smoother. For a budget phone, that's a pretty solid balance. Under the hood, this one runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, built on 6nm. Pair that with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and you get decent day-to-day performance. Social media, casual gaming, and multitasking should be fine. Plus, it supports microSD expansion, which is always a win at this price. The phone comes with Android 15 out of the box, skinned with iOS 15, so you're also getting the latest software. Now let's check out the cameras. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with dual LED flash. It can shoot 1440p at 30 FPS or 1080p video. On the front, you've got a 5-megapixel selfie camera. It's definitely not for photography enthusiasts, but for basic shots and social media uploads, it'll get the job done. Battery and charging. Here's where the Spark Go shines. It packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. With such a big cell, you can easily get through 2 days of light to moderate use. Charging speed is 18-watt wired, which is not very fast, but again, at this price, having a 6,000 mAh battery is the real deal. Some extra things. You do get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, dual speakers, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack is present. For connectivity, it has dual SIM 5G support, Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and even an infrared port. Pretty feature-rich for the budget segment. Now the price. This phone is launching at around €100 internationally, which makes it one of the cheapest 5G phones right now. So here's the deal. If you're looking for a phone with huge battery, smooth 120Hz display, 5G connectivity, and the latest Android 15 at a budget price, the Tecno Spark Go 2025 is worth considering. But if you care a lot about display resolution or camera quality, you might want to look higher in the lineup. That's the full breakdown of the Tecno Spark Go 2025. What do you guys think? Would you buy this phone just for the massive 6,000 mAh battery, or is the low display resolution a deal breaker? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real tech breakdowns.